random Orion Drift players to make sound effects for the game. Part 1. Dev Teddy.
You hitting the ball?
Can you give me a sound effect for hitting the ball? Let's go find someone to give me a tackling sound effect. Let's try to practice arena. Yo, Buyer's Bowl.
What?
Yo, Mike. Yeah. Could you give me a sound effect of tackling someone in a drift ball game? Thank you.
What?
Alright, we need to find one more person for a sound effect for scoring a goal. Alright, can you give me a sound effect of a goal explosion?
Badooshoo! 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 Badooshoo!
Like and subscribe for a part 2.